Thanks for checking out this YouTube video. This is taken from a webinar we did with a lady called Kate Sun, who is an intellectual property lawyer based in Sydney in Australia. She did it for the Aussie online entrepreneurs. If you want to find out more about Kate, there's some links underneath. We've also got a lot more from Kate as far as protecting your Amazon business, trademarks, intellectual property, patents and things like that. So make sure you subscribe to this channel to find out more. With that being said, let's get on with the video.
So what is IP and why is it important? Well, basically, intellectual property describes any new idea, brand, design, device, or method. And the words intellectual property refer to some property arising out of a creation of the intellect. It's actually an asset. So as I mentioned, I do IP licenses day in, day out. It's something that can be like any other asset. It can be sold, licensed, exchanged. It provides exclusivity and it's enabling and engaging. What that means is that you can engage with others around that piece of IP. So it allows you to use that as a leveraging tool. In the Amazon context, though, it can be used for brand registry purposes, peace of mind when dealing with suppliers. So it can, you can feel confident that they are not going to rip off your idea and go out and sell it themselves. And it's around the creation of a brand that can be later sold or licensed. So, your ideal is to establish a whole brand identity that can be packaged up, and if it goes gangbusters, at some point you could on-sell it and retire early.